Crunchy, savory, and oh so satisfying, egg rolls are a beloved appetizer in many cuisines. But what if you're following a low-carb or keto lifestyle? Fear not. Our Keto Egg Roll Wrappers are here to save the day. These crispy delights are made with almond flour, ensuring they're gluten-free and perfect for those watching their carb intake. Let's roll into this easy recipe that'll have you saying goodbye to traditional wrappers. Ingredients. For the wrappers: 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon water, 1 cup superfine blanched almond flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 3 tablespoons coconut flour, 2 teaspoons xanthan gum, 1/4 teaspoon salt. For the filling, optional: 1/4 pound ground chicken, or ground pork or turkey, 1/3 cup finely shredded cabbage, 3 tablespoons thinly sliced carrots, ½ tablespoon sesame oil, 3/4 tablespoon low sodium soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon ground white pepper, 2 tablespoons water. Oil for frying. Instructions. 1. Prepare the wrappers. In a food processor, combine the coconut flour, almond flour, salt, baking powder, and xanthan gum. Pulse until evenly mixed. Beat the egg in a small bowl and whisk in the apple cider vinegar and water. Add the egg mixture to the food processor and mix until a dough forms. If you don't have a food processor, knead the ingredients by hand. Remove the dough, wrap it in plastic, and refrigerate for 10 to 20 minutes. It should be pliable but no longer sticky. 2. Roll out the wrappers. Place the dough between 2 sheets of parchment paper and roll it out thinly, about less than 1/8 inch thick. Cut the dough into squares, approximately 4 by 4 inches. Roll out any scraps to make more wrappers. 3. Filling, optional. If desired, prepare a flavorful filling by sautéing ground chicken, or other protein, shredded cabbage, sliced carrots, sesame oil, soy sauce, white pepper, and water. Cook until well combined. 4. Assemble and fry. Spoon the filling onto each wrapper. Roll up the wrappers, securing the edges. Heat oil in a skillet and fry the egg rolls until golden and crispy. Serving size. This recipe yields approximately 10 Keto Egg Roll Wrappers. Adjust the quantities based on your needs. Enjoy the crunch. Whether you're dipping them in soy sauce, pairing them with a spicy dipping sauce, or enjoying them plain, these Keto Egg Roll Wrappers are a guilt-free delight. Serve them as an appetizer or alongside a fresh salad for a satisfying meal. Note: you can also experiment with different fillings like shrimp, mushrooms, or shredded chicken for variety.